In marketing, lead generation essentially is the initiating of customer interest or inquiry into services or products of a company. Leads can also be generated for promotional purposes like email list acquisition, newsletter subscription, or direct sales revenue. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 5 ways to generate leads. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Lead generation in internet marketing is an increasingly important aspect of successful internet marketing. Marketing professionals can generate leads by using a variety of creative techniques. These techniques are also often coupled with other tools that further increase lead generation opportunities. Following are just some of these combining tools. Social media marketing. You can generate leads by employing social media marketing in your business, through blogs, video marketing, and more. Using social media marketing can assist you in building your lead generation capabilities. It can also help in making sure that you are on top of your competitors. Blogs, videos, and social networking sites can all be used to generate a lead generation profile through viral techniques. For instance, a video posted on YouTube can easily be picked up and forwarded by friends, resulting in lots of potential customers. You can also generate leads by participating in online discussions. Participating in discussions can help you not only generate leads but also provide you with the opportunity to learn more about what your prospective customers out there are looking for. The topics you participate in also help you in identifying new ideas to promote your business. Outbound links can be incorporated into the discussion you participate in and it can provide you with additional leads. When you utilize social media for lead generation, you need to make sure that you make your comments as helpful as possible. Email marketing. There are a number of lead generation techniques that can work well when integrated with email marketing. Email marketing has been proven to be very effective in generating leads because people spend an average of 30 minutes a day on their personal email accounts. This means that if you create and distribute newsletters that focus on your product or services, you will reach a lot of people over a very long period of time. You can also use email marketing in conjunction with social media to further boost your sales. Social media. Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube are some of the most popular social media sites around the world. It is a good idea to link up these sites with your HubSpot site. HubSpot has Ctas and blogs linked to it, which increases the amount of traffic that can be generated through the combined sources. When you create and post articles to HubSpot and to your other blogs, you can also include a link to your HubSpot site in the resource box. This helps to generate leads through social media sites. CTAs or content tailors. When you create content on your HubSpot hub pages, you can specify keywords that can be used to generate leads through the search engines. If your site is featured on web pages as a result of your keywords, people who search for similar topics will find your site. People browsing online stores will then be able to order from your site. Through this form of lead generation, you can generate a large number of sales and revenue by serving your targeted market with what they are looking for. Landing page copywriting. CTAs can also be used to generate leads through the use of landing pages. A landing page is a page that your visitor arrives to after they have clicked on your link from another source. The pages should be very well optimized and relevant to the topic that you are promoting. For example, if you were advertising tooth whitening services through a hub page, the landing page should provide detailed information about the process as well as an opportunity to book a session. Social bookmarking. This is a technique that many people don't think about when it comes to generating leads with lead generation. However, it's a very easy way to generate leads simply by bookmarking an important web page. Social bookmarking websites allow users to bookmark web pages so others can share that page. When someone searches for something relevant, they will see the bookmark page. That person can then share that page with their friends. This form of lead generation works best when you have a social bookmarking account with high membership numbers. Thanks for watching my video about 5 ways to generate leads. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.